Paul. Yes. I was just looking at this reporting a crime of violence. It is the duty of physicians to report to the authorities all injuries that have arisen as a result of a violent act. Oh. Now, there's the reprisal. Yes, the retaliation against a wrongful act or against an unfriendly act, such as a nation seizing the property of foreign country because its citizens have been mistreated in the foreign country, or because a foreign country has failed to keep its treaty agreements recaptioned. Now, this reporting a crime of violence, yes. Allegedly, I committed domestic violence in Brennan, Washington on June 16th of 2017. And you arrested me on September 19th of 2017, approximately, well, let's see, July, August, September, 90 days after the alleged violent crime. Yes. And nobody investigated me. You just said, well, you failed to appear for the 2-count criminal complaint, but nobody reported the violent crime to law enforcement. Yes. Now, I'm really concerned because it is a violent crime per se. Restoration laws would give you the legal right to involuntarily admit to me psychotropic medication. Now, I do not understand the constraints of the prosecuting attorney's office. I don't understand how you can file a 2-count criminal complaint in the name of the state of Washington when it's a violent crime per se and not report the crime to the authorities known as law enforcement. And when you wait 3 months to arrest me for failure to appear, was I ever a real threat? Now, you made me have a mental health evaluation. You made me go to Port Townsend 5, 6 different times over the last 12 months. You made me have to do what the court orders, otherwise you'll put me in jail. But what I can't understand is what the limitations of the prosecutor's office is. Now, I don't know what happened on June 16th of 2017 because I wasn't there. But you would have thought that the violent crime against myself of involuntary servitude, yes, the $500,000 failure to appear, this continuous harassment, torture, and terrorism on the part of Jefferson County. When you have the evidence that I wasn't there and you refuse to give me the evidence of the alleged emails that I was sending, when does it become a violent crime against the citizen for refusing to enforce their rights? Now, you've said, well, we're concerned about domestic violence, but you don't acknowledge my rights as the indigent class or caste of citizens that has the right to sue you for your sectarian control. Now, I want a phone call from Jack telling me that the case has been dismissed and I don't have to go to Port Townsend tomorrow. Because it really is a violent crime against the rights of citizens to not be harassed, not have to use all my money to get on a bus tomorrow and go over there, because my public defender doesn't understand right now.